Welcome to your 15th tutorial on beginning HTML. In this video, we're going to go over the number input box. Once again, we are using the input element, but this time we are setting the type to number, which will give us a number input box. Let's go ahead and hit refresh, and there you can see we've got our number input box. This web control will only allows the user to input numbers. No characters or anything else, just numbers. We can enter a very large number in here if we want. You will also notice that this number input box has an up and down arrow so we can adjust it accordingly. Now, what if you want to specify a range of numbers, allowing only a certain range between a minimum number and a maximum number to be input into this field? That's where the minimum and maximum attributes come into play. Let's go back to our HTML and add a minute and a max attribute there. We use the minimum attribute and the maximum attribute, setting them to 0 and 50, respectively. Now, the only numbers that a user can enter are between 0 and 50. Let's save and refresh this. As you can see, this box got much smaller because we're only allowing up to 50 to be entered. If we start using our up arrow here, you'll see that we're going up until we get to 50, where it stops. We can't input anything else. Okay, that's the number input box. I will see you guys in the next video.